support person might be the baby's father, your partner, a doula, or a family member or friend who is there to support you throughout your pregnancy, during the birth, and in the postnatal period. You can have more than one support person at your birth.
There are lots of benefits to having a support person. Having a birth partner who provides continuous one-to-one support, someone that you can completely trust, may help you cope better during the birth and mean you have a happier birth experience.
Some support partners might feel like they are a spare part during the birth. However, they are a really important part of their experience. Including them in your birth plan can help the midwife to include and involve them in the birth experience.
Think about how they can support you before the birth. Maybe they could give you a massage and to help you practice your breathing. Do they understand your birth plan? And are you happy for them to advocate for you once you're in labour? It's not always easy to communicate once you're in labour, so your support person may need to speak to the midwife for you. Can they offer you any emotional support before, during and after your birth?
Once you're in labour, your support person can time your contractions so you know when you need to call the midwife. They should know where the hospital bag is and know the route to the hospital and which entrance to use. They can be in charge of bringing drinks and snacks, not just for you, but enough to keep them going too. Make sure you arrive with a charged phone and a phone charger.
Think about once the baby is born. Do you want them to cut the cord? Do you want them to have skin-to-skin contact with the baby? If it's possible for them to stay over in the same room, do they need to bring a change of clothes and a toothbrush too? After you're discharged from hospital, think about how they can support you with cooking, cleaning and daily chores.
These are all practical tips on how a support person can look after you before, during and after the birth. But the most important part of the support person's role is to make you feel loved and encouraged throughout labour and to help you to have a positive experience.